All right, is my makeup good?
Do you know what that is?
It's a phone.
Do you know what that is?
An office phone. Old school phone.
It's a telephone. Do you know what type of telephone?
Not a portable one.
I don't know, it's a telephone.
It's a rotary phone.
Have you ever used a rotary phone before?
I used the iPhone.
iPhone? Okay.
No.
I don't think so.
No.
No, but I have seen it on TV shows.
Okay.
Yeah, I have.
You have. Oh no! This is the phone number. I want to see how long it takes you to figure out how to use the rotary phone.
Hey.
So what is kind of in your head right now? What you think?
I know I have to spin it.
On the two end circles, I'm trying to see if that's how it calls.
I have no clue.
There's this metal piece.
Is it like a locker combination type thing?
You actually have to pick the receiver up off the phone.
Ah!
Is it please try again on the phone?
Hi. Thank you.
Oh.
Hello?
I did it.
So what do you think? Do you think that was a fun way to dial
Yes.
back win?
I want one.
You want one? You gotta pick it up first.
Oh my god.
Now try it again.
I may have had to pick it up first. Here we go. Let me try again.
Did something just happen?
Yes, someone said it's not valid. So I'm just gonna put the number 2 and then I need to go to number 8.
Hello, is this Lydia?
You gotta go faster. Hello?
Well, I didn't know you had to pick up the phone first, so second try. Second try.
They hung up on me.
She made me busy.
There's no way I'm gonna get this.
Do right now? What do you do?
I'm thinking you gotta turn it and there's some way you like press it.
Wait.
What? No, because it doesn't go to 1.
Do I have to pick it up first?
That's a good start. Yeah.
Well, that makes sense.
It turned.
That's not gonna be right. Okay.
Is it beeping at you?
Am I doing this totally wrong?
Yes.
1, then 5.
Is this 8? 8? That's not it.
Oh, I forgot that.
Hello?
You got it on the first try. Really good.
Oh, that's so cool! How did I not know that? Okay, I'm gonna be able to do it now. No, but I wasn't fast enough, maybe.
I just wanted to say that I did it.
Just go?
Just go.
All right.
How do you work this?
Pick up the phone and try it one more time, just a little bit quicker.
This is busy.
Yeah, it's busy. She's busy.
All right, we'll see you, Lydia.
It dialed 7.
You dialed 7, that's good.
That's one number dialed.
What do I say?
Well, I think my grandma has a phone like this, so.
We were wondering. Well, you did it.
The phones nowadays are better.
Yeah, they are. So y'all are killing it over here.
I guess watching Andy Griffith pays off.